shopping COD, shopping COD.
Arafah, lu dari mana Arafah?
Enggak, gue tadi biasa habis ngantar temen gue.
Wih, Arafah. Ya ampun Arafah, lu tahu nggak sih gue tuh nyari-nyari lu kemana aja lu, aduh.
Lu nyari gue di mana? Di comberan?
Anjing, Arafah banget anjing.
Apa sih? Ya,
Lah, jadi tukang becak lah gue.
Oke, siap.
Iya, Arafah banget ya, baru sadar anjir. Dari sekian banyak percakapan ternyata dia Arafah.
Nama gue Syahara, bukan Arafah.
Iya, Arafah sih. Arafah anjing. Iya, Arafah.
Gue Syahara.
Arafah udah Arafah aja.
Bukan.
Bukan.
Lu nggak tahu ya? Lu dikasih tahu nama gue Syahara, dikasih nama gue sama ortu gue. Masa lu gimana sih?
Fuck.
Oh, kenapa sih?
Anjing. Sumpah anjing. Keep going.
Oke.
Arafah, lu katanya mau ke kafe, gimana sih lu?
Lu nggak tahu, gue kan belum vaksin, gila.
Anjing. Arafah, cok. Aduh, pusing pala gua dengernya.
Wah, gue bukan Arafah, gue Syahara.
Ya serah lu lah, Arafah. Lu bisa aja kalau ngarang nama mah. Sulit dah kalau kayak gini mah.
Lu nggak tahu ya?
Kagak.
Muka gue sama Arafah beda jauh, cantik kan juga Arafah. Gue udah kayak apa ya?
Mantan itu menurut gue kayak motor. Walaupun udah bekas, tapi masih ada yang mau.
Arafah.
Bukan, nama gue Syahara. Arafah tinggalnya di Bekasi.
Lu katanya lagi di Bekasi, gimana sih? Lu lagi syuting apa sih? Sibuk amat gue liat.
Lu salah orang, gila.
Salah orang gimana sih lu? Udah dibilang lu tuh Arafah yang stand up komedian itu. Iya gak sih? Yang temennya Bintang Emon. Ya elah. Yang stand up komedi itu. Udah lu gak.
Dia terlalu cantik buat disamain sama gue, gila.
Lu siapa sih sebenarnya?
Kok aneh sih?
A few minutes later.
Suka boleh. Hai.
Rianti. Halo.
Hai. What is your name?
Liza.
Okay.
Alina.
Elina and Eliza.
Yeah.
I love you guys.
I love you too.
Тебя люблю.
Yeah. Oh, нихуя.
Меня зовут Дика.
Как еще раз?
It's a hi, привет.
Привет.
I'm speaking English. I'm not speaking Ruski.
Ой, не, no.
What do you mean no?
Вообще не понимаю, о чем речь.
Тебя люблю.
Ну, хорошо, прекрасно, отлично,
Прыскина
спасибо.
эйскеркавости. Нет, да. Ты скина баста.
Ага, окей.
Oh my god, you fucking cute. Are you real?
Stop sweating, man.
Yo, okay.
It's not cool.
Bro, you freaking cute, bro. You're amazing.
Well, you are amazing, man.
This is like a
You know that?
This is a cartoon.
Yeah, Disney, man. I am searching for Rapunzel.
Oh my god, bro. Take a look, you drink that water.
A few moments later.
I saw your face, like a real face there, because of you doing some
Oh
mistake.
yeah, just wait.
When you're moving around. Yo.
Fucking hell.
Oh my god. You have a beautiful face though.
Which one?
I'm begging, Oh man, how's it going? Oh, woo, man. Yo, what's up, bro? You look like a stupid dumbass, bro.
Karena kalau bulan bisa ngomong, dia pasti tak akan bohong.
Привет.
Привет.
Okay.
Emily.
Asian.
Noah.
Do you want to say a magic trick?
I can do some magic trick. Take a look. This is a coin.
Yeah.
This is gonna.
Oh, do you want to say a magic trick?
Yo, go ahead. Whoa! Paying you, so put your loving hand out. Hey, what's up?
What the fuck am I listening to, bro?
No, I'm not YouTuber. I'm not streamer at all. I'm just fucking playing a game, and after that, I'm gonna open up this ometv, looking for some friends to talking.
To fuck? Or
Oh,
what?
what? No,
Wait, you just say I'm looking for some friends to fuck.
to talking, not. Damn shit! Come on, are you fucking kidding me? No, that way.
Oh.
You guys are funny. Come on, if you just want to make out with me, please just texting me. I'm joking, actually. I'm not that kind of person, you know. At the first impression, asking about makeup or something like that. No, that's not my type of that shit. Come on. I just want to show you something. This is a bottle. Take a look.
Flamingo.
Like, see me. Whoop. I'm begging you. It's something happened with my throat. Actually, there's like yeah. I want to sing again. Whoop. Put your loving hand out. I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Baby, come on, baby. Do you know what? Hey, not that way, I mean. Hey, what's your name with the phone?
Me?
Yeah, what's your name?
Why?
Just asking, come on. Oh, whoosh.
My name's Destiny.
Your name is My Destiny?
No, Destiny.
Destiny.
Yes.
What was happen? Your back.
What about my back? It's my shoulder.
No, your back. It's kind of weird. Why?
What do you mean?
Why Angel has no wings? Come on. Or are you melted? Are you melted? Come on, I'm just doing my pickup lines too.
No, he said my angel has no wings.
Yeah. What's your name? What's your name? You just saying that. Fuck. What's your name?
Ranisha.
Sorry, what?
Ranisha.
Ah, run away.
No, Ranisha.
Ranisha. Why? Do you have a boyfriend there, or you just kind of single?
She's single.
She's single. You're single. That's why you want people fuck you. Ah, no. No, actually, nah. I don't want to say that, but you already say that, so just joking. Come on.
No, you just said that.
Yeah, I would like to know why you single. Oh shit! I forgot to cover up my Jack Daniels there. I don't want to look like a bitch.
Oh, he's drunk.
No, I'm not drunk. Come on. I'm just, I don't know.
You know why I'm single? Because my husband, he's on the phone and he just divorced me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can you show me?
No, he's a bitch. He's a slave, I think.
Destiny.
Yeah.
I'm asking you.
Yes.
I'm asking you. This is more important than your friend. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, you
What
mate.
was make you happy?
What would make me happy
Yeah,
right now?
yeah, literally now.
Chicken nuggets.
Hold on. Chicken nuggets? Oh, I don't have that one.
Oh, the alcohol.
Ah! Wanna take a shot?
Yeah, you want to take a shot? He hasn't. He's hardly even opened it.
Yeah, it's already
Guys,
empty.
Guys, shut it.
You wanna see me drink this one?
Yeah.